Hello everyone and welcome to today's video lecture on tuples in Python. My name is Darshan Sharma. I will be your guide through this topic. Tuples are essential data type in Python, often used to store collection of heterogeneous data. In this lecture, we'll explore what tuples are, how they differ from lists, and how to work with them effectively in Python programming. Let's dive in it. Tuples are ordered collection of element enclosed in parentheses. Okay, so for tuple we use this kind of parenthesis. All our data we write in between this parenthesis. Okay, like list, they are stored multiple values but they are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed after creation. Once you have created a tuple, okay, whatever you are writing here in this parenthesis, it is immutable. In list we can change, we can alter, we can edit the elements of the list, but in tuple we cannot alter or change. So where do we use it? Like, let's say we have written here apple, banana, okay, uh, orange, and I made a tuple, my tuple. Okay, I made a tuple in which I have added apple, banana and orange. Now throughout my code I cannot change this. I cannot write like my tuple dot pop. I cannot use this. Okay, in tuple I cannot use this. In list, if I'll use this pop function, it will remove the last element, but in case of tuple it won't. Okay, so it is not mutable. They offer efficiency of data integrity for scenarios where data should remain fixed. Okay, what are the cases where the data should remain fixed? Okay, so let's say we are using coordinates, okay, dimension like width, height, length, okay, file path, let's say I'm using a file path of my uh, folder. Okay, so there are multiple things where we do not want to change our data, we want them as it is throughout the all coding. Okay, lists are mutable while tuples are immutable. Okay, so this is the thing. So let's see what are the function and how can we create the key characters are this: ordering elements maintain their defined sequence throughout the tuple lifetime. This is crucial for situations where order of element matter like coordinates or data records. Immutability, yes, it is. We cannot add or remove or assign new values directly. Okay, this prevent accidental modification and ensure data consistency. Heterogeneity, okay, like we can make heterogeneous tuple, that is not a problem. Unlike homogeneous list storing only integers, tuple can accommodate value of different data type, offering flexibility for representing diverse data structure. Okay, let's create a tuple. Okay, here I am creating my tuple is equal to, let's say, 1 hello or 3.14. okay, let's create it and call it. I have to call also my tuple. Okay, tuple. If I call this, my tuple has been created. If I want to make an empty tuple, I just use parenthesis. Okay, I told you about empty list also. Same way we can make empty tuple. Parentheses are optional for single element tuples but good practice for clarity. Single element, if you are using single element, you can write this and you have to add comma here. Okay, and single element, if you call, I'll get 1. Okay, now see, assigning element. Okay, So like I told you about indexing and slicing in the list, same way you can use indexing here. Okay, print my tuple 0, my tuple 1, my tuple 2. Okay, so what is my tuple? It is 1, hello, and 3.14. So this one I already told you about the indexing. Again we are uh, let's discuss about indexing. Let's create a tuple 1, hello, 3.14. Okay, so integer, float, and string. Okay. Now if I'll speak about indexing, the indexing value for 1 is 0, for hello is 1, for 3.14 is 2, or this is -1, -2, or -3. So same thing we are calling here. If I'll call print my tuple 0, it will give me 1. Print my tuple 1, it will give me hello. Okay, let's run this. So I'm getting all the 3 elements printed here because I'm calling the all elements. Or you can write here -3, -2, and -1. You will get the same result. Okay, out of bounds indexing arises an index error. Negative indexing starts from the end. That negative ending indexing we have already discussed. Okay, so let's run this one also. Slicing. Okay, extracting subtuples. Similar to list, use start, end, and step. Okay, we had discussed this thing in case of list, that if we are using slice, or in that case we have to tell our range and step size. Okay, what is this step and start and end? Okay, let's discuss about it. Let's say I have a tuple here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I want to slice from 1 to 8, but I want all even number. Okay, I want all even number. In that case, what would I do? I want this one is first element, I know, because I want even number. Okay, so the indexing is like this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I want 2 4 6 and 8. Okay, in that case, how would I write? I will write, see, indexing 1. Okay, I have to go till 7. So you know the end limit will be excluded. So instead of 7, what would I write? 8, because I need this 7 indexing as well. Okay, this 8 belongs to the indexing. And step size is 2. Okay, if I'll write like this, uh, let's make here a new tuple here. My new tuple is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay, or 9. Let's say like this. And my new tuple 1 is equal to my new tuple. Okay, for let's say I want 1 up to 8, step size is 2. Okay, I have to call the my new tuple 1 as well. I'll get 2 4 6 and 8. Okay, because this 1 belongs to the initial, like where do I have to start? It will start from the 2, and the initial the starting point will be included. Okay, whereas the ending point will be excluded. Okay, so this thing would be excluded. And step size 2, it means I have taken 2, then ignore the next value, then again you take, then ignore the next value. If I write here 3, okay, then I will get 2 5 8, because it has started from 2, 3 4 was ignored. Okay, and the third step was taken. Again 6 7 was ignored, 8 was taken. Okay, so like this you can use this. here subtuple is equal to my tuple 1 and 3. Okay, so see where it is. My tuple is here, so 0 element, 1 element and second element. Okay, so here I am taking from 1, where it is, yes, 1 to 3. So I will get only hello and 3.14 because it is starting from the 1. Okay, instead of 0 it is starting from the 1. I have taken the starting point 1 instead of 0. Okay, here subtuple minus 1. Okay, I have given this colon, this colon. Okay, they are empty. That means you can start or end, you can start from the start point and end till the end. Okay, so I am and step size I am giving minus 1. It means it will read from here, let's say I will do like this, let's say this one, and here I'm writing minus 1. Okay, now let's see what will happen. It is going from here because it is starting from the minus 1 value, which is 9. So this will make the reverse order of this. Okay, and if I'll do like this, let's say my tuple reverse is equal to my new tuple minus 1 minus 1. Okay, I have to call as well. It will give me again reverse of my new tuple 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So same case here we will, okay, we have to call as well subtuple. Instead of subtuple I will write here subtuple 1, subtuple, and subtuple 1. Okay, if I write this I will get error because I have not written here L. Sorry, LE, and here as well LE, sorry. Okay, so what would I get? Subtuple this 3.14, this reverse, but here I'm not getting this one hello and 3.4. I don't know why. Wait, subtuple, again I'm making mistake. Okay, here it is, and then like this, or what I can do here like this. See, print subtuple, print subtuple 1. Okay, I will get both the result. See here, omission of start or end defaults to the beginning or end respectively, stepping through element with step. We have already discussed this. Okay, from minus 1 here we are writing from which one is there? Here it is. This one is a big okay, my reverse. If I'll write this, my reverse every other instead of every others. Okay, I will not get this now. Here I will get 1 3. So it has taken from 0 till end. Okay, and step size is 2. Because we are not writing anything, then it will take from beginning to the end. Okay, so here tuple operations. Okay, we can use concatenation here, like I have my tuple plus 4 and 5. Okay, then let's see what happened here. Can we concatenate or not? Yes, we can. Okay, so my tuple, and we have added 4 and 5 as well. Okay, so we are doing addition here, but not in the my tuple, in the combined tuple. Okay, we cannot add anything in the my tuple. Let's see, can we add or not? Because we have already discussed that we cannot add or let's see remove anything from the tuple. Tuple dot append let's say 7. Okay, so here tuple object has no attribute append. Can we pop? Again, tuple object has no attribute, so we cannot add or remove from the tuple. Yes, we can generate a new tuple and add new items into the existing tuple. That's okay, but we cannot edit. Can we edit in combined tuple? Let's see. Okay, so we'll get the same error. Okay, so because this is also a tuple, so we cannot use dot pop method here. Okay, membership, like we have to check existing element if any member is present or not. Okay, is present is equal to hello in my tuple, is it true or not? Okay, sorry, is present. Okay, yes, true, it is present there. Okay, so length, if you want to know the length of my tuple length, you can use len function. Okay, same you can use in the list. You can use all these things in the list also, but the difference between the tuple and list is like you can't make this thing edit in the tuple. Okay, you are using len function here, you can use same thing in the list also. Okay, for loop, it iterates over elements in order. If you want anything, this shouldn't be, this is marked down. Okay, so you can use loops for the elements. Okay, loop we haven't discussed actually, haven't discussed yet, so I'm not going to give you here for loop and while loop. We will have different video lecture on for loop, while loop, if else condition. Okay, then only we will end the Python, because Python is these all things, list and these all tuples, dictionaries, they are the basic things of the Python, but things get complicated when you use these list and all the rules in the all the properties of the Python in for loop. Okay, or while loop. Okay, or if you are using conditions, so these all things when combines it gets little bit complicated, and that's what we have to learn, that how can we use all these properties into the loops. Okay, okay, equality comparison, can we compare? Yes. Okay, same tuple, I have made another tuple with the same element which are already present in the my tuple, so I am assigning my tuple value to the is equal and comparing is equal to the same tuple. Okay, so would I get true or sorry, okay, it's true. Okay. So is equal is equal to what I'm doing, I'm comparing my tuple with the same tuple. So is it true or false? Obviously we are using comparison, so it will give us true or false. Okay, so it is giving me true, and if I use not equal to, in that case it is false, because my tuple is equal to same tuple. But if I'm using not equal to sign, obviously this statement is false, so I'll get false. I'll make it here true. Okay, true. Beyond the basis, tuple packing. Okay, assigning variable directly from the tuple element. Okay, let's copy this thing. Wait, my tuple. Okay, I'll generate one more tuple here instead of this thing. Let's say my tuple, okay, is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, now see what am I doing. I'm doing x comma y comma z comma a comma b. Okay, how many? 5. Okay, is equal to my tuple. Now what would happen, this x will assign to 1, y is equal would assign to 2, z would assign to 3, A would assign to 4, B would assign to 5. Wait. Okay, now I am running this. Okay, now let's see. I'm writing here x plus let's say a. The value of x is 1, a is 4, so the answer would be 5. Okay, why? Because we are assigning the values, variables to the values of the my tuple. Okay, so x will take 1, y will take 2, z will take 3, a will take 4, b will take 5. Okay? And if I write x plus y plus z plus a plus b, okay, I will get 15. So this, in this way you can assign the variables directly to the elements of the tuple. Okay. Nested tuples, same as the list, tuples in the tuple, and we can access in the same way. Okay, I had discussed this thing in my video of the list. You can go and check there, and this thing we have already discussed. Okay, so immutable, it means tuples can be used, or we can use this tuple property when we don't want to make changes in our data throughout our code. Okay, advantages is ensure data remains consistent. That's what our advantage is. Okay, so this concludes our discussion on tuples in Python. I hope you found this lecture informative and valuable. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial on Python programming and other related topics. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.